Hello everyone. This video is for class 1. Today we are going to study English Mulberry chapter 6. And I am your English teacher Sneha. Chapter 6, The Boy and the Toffees. Here is a picture story. Discuss what happens in it with your class. You can see 3 pictures here. The first picture is of a woman and a boy. The woman is holding a jar of toffees. In the second picture, you can see a boy is sitting with the same jar of toffees and he is eating from the jar. In the third picture, you can see the boy is crying out with pain because he has eaten all the toffees from the jar. So, through these pictures, we come to know that the woman in the story is telling the boy not to eat a lot of toffees, but the boy doesn't listen to the woman and at last he is suffering with pain. Now let us read about a boy called Arnav who learns a valuable lesson. One day, mother puts some toffees in a jar to give away at Arnav's birthday party. She does not tell anyone about it. Arnav hides behind the door. He sees his mother hiding the jar of toffees. Arnav knows that his mother goes out to buy groceries every Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. Arnav eagerly waits for his mother to leave. Later in the day, when mother leaves the house, Arnav gets a chance to take some yummy toffees. He drags a stool to the cupboard where his mother has kept the jar. Arnav is too short to reach the shelf. He stands on the stool and takes the jar slowly. He puts his hand into the jar and greedily takes as many toffees as his hand can hold. But when he tries to pull his hand out, it gets stuck. The mouth of the jar is too small for his hand. So here, this is the story of a boy named Arnav whose mother puts some toffees in a jar to give away at Arnav's birthday party. She does not tell anyone about it, but Arnav sees his mother hiding the jar of toffees. Arnav knows that his mother goes out to buy groceries every Wednesday, and today is Wednesday. So Arnav waits for his mother to leave the house so that he gets a chance to take some yummy toffees. Now, in order to reach the shelf, Arnav drags a stool to the cupboard where his mother has kept the jar. because Arnav is too short to reach the shelf. So to reach the shelf, he stands on the stool and takes the jar slowly. Arnav puts his hand into the jar and greedily takes so many toffees. But when he tries to pull his hand out, it gets stuck. He is holding as many toffees as his hand can hold. So his hand gets stuck because the mouth of the jar is too small for his hand. When he has put in his hand, he was not holding the toffees, so his hand could get in. But when he is trying to take out his hand, he is holding so many toffees, so his hand is unable to come out. Arnav does not want to lose any toffees. No matter how hard he tries, he is unable to take his hand out. He begins to cry. Just then, his big brother Rohit sees Arnav crying. Gently, Rohit places a hand on Arnav's shoulder and says, "Hold only half of the toffees and you will easily get your hand out. Then you may have some more toffees some other time." Arnav smiles at Rohit. He stops crying. Wiping his nose with the other hand, Arnav lets some of the toffees go. He is now able to take his hand out smoothly. So, when Arnav takes as many toffees as his hand can hold, his hand gets stuck in the jar. He does not want to lose any toffee. He wants he should take all the toffees. But no matter how hard he tries, he is unable to take out his hand. So he begins to cry. Just then, Arnav's big brother Rohit tells Rohit to hold only half of the toffees so that he may easily get his hand out of the jar. Rohit tells Arnav he may have some more toffees some other time. After listening to his big brother Rohit, Arnav understood his mistake. He smiles at Rohit and stops crying. Arnav immediately lets some of the toffees go. And now he is able to take his hand out smoothly. Word meaning: groceries, food and other items that we buy in a food store or supermarket. Now the exercise is quick answers. Arnav takes a fistful of dash. The options are toffees, bananas. Arnav takes a fistful of toffees. The answer is toffees. B. Mother keeps the dash full of toffees hidden in the cupboard. The options are bucket, jar. So mother keeps the jar full of toffees. Answer is mother keeps the jar full of toffees hidden in the cupboard. C. Arnav is not able to take his dash out from the jar. What is Arnav not able to take his out? Leg or hand? Yes, Arnav is not able to take his hand out from the jar. So the answer is hand. D. Rohit asks him to dash only half of the toffees. What does Rohit ask Arnav to do? He asks him to hold only half of the toffees. The answer is hold. E. Arnav is able to dash, put or take his hand out of the jar when he lets go of some toffees. Arnav is able to take his hand out of the jar when he lets go of some toffees. Arnav takes a fistful of toffees. Mother keeps the jar full of toffees hidden in the cupboard. Arnav is not able to take his hand out from the jar. Rohit asks him to hold only half of the toffees. Arnav is able to take his hand out of the jar when he lets go of some toffees. Next question is, put a tick right against the correct answer. A. What day does Arnav's mother go out to buy groceries? The options are every Wednesday, every Sunday. From the chapter, we have read Arnav's mother goes out to buy groceries on every Wednesday. So the answer is every Wednesday. Why does Arnav cry? Options are he is not able to find the toffees. He is not able to take his hand out of the jar. So why does Arnav cry? Was he not able to find the toffees? He was able to find the toffees, but he was not able to take his hand out of the jar. So Arnav cried. So the answer is he is not able to take his hand out of the jar. C. What does Rohit say when he sees Arnav crying? The options are he asks him to break the jar. He asks him to let go of some of the toffees. What does Rohit say when he sees Arnav crying? He asks Arnav to let go of some of the toffees. The answer is he asks him to let go of some of the toffees. Next question is, complete these sentences with the correct words in the box given below. Cloth, paper, glass, bricks. These are the words given in the help box. First is, jars are usually made of dash. Jars are usually made of cloth, paper, glass or bricks. Jars are usually made of glass. Second, kites are usually made of dash. Many of you might be playing with kites. So what is it made of? It is made of paper. Kites are usually made of paper. Third, dresses are usually made from dash. Dresses are usually made from cloth. Fourth, houses are usually made of dash. What are houses made of? Houses are made of bricks. Now answer the questions. Question 1. How does Arnav reach to the jar of toffees? Answer is Arnav drags a stool, stands on it and reaches the jar of toffees. Question 2. Was the mouth of the jar broad or narrow? Give reasons for your answer. Answer is it was narrow because Arnav's hand got stuck in it. Your homework is read the chapter, learn the exercise. Thank you.